Welcome back to my channel. Happy Easter weekend. So today I'm going to be doing some steamed fish and some fried fish with some Escovitch sauce. It's raining a bit today. It's a blessing. Yeah, so I hope that you will enjoy this vlog. So stay tuned. Let's start with my ingredients. I'm going to be using some garlic salt. To the back of that, I'm going to be using some salt and black pepper, some all-purpose seasoning, some carrots, regular onion and red onion, some scotch bonnet pepper, some garlic. I'm going to be using that flavor, soup it up, fish flavoring to steam my fish. I'm going to be adding the crackers to my steamed fish, and these are the fish that I'm going to be using. Alright, let's go. So these fish have already been scaled properly and washed. So now it's time for me to season it. And I'm going to be using the all-purpose seasoning, of course, the salt and black pepper and the garlic salt. And I have cut on the sides of both fish, to ensure that the entire fish is seasoned. Alright, so now I'm flipping it over to the other side to ensure that the other side is seasoned as well. And if you also observe, you will see that I'm seasoning on the inside of the fish. I know actually everybody knows how to cook, knows how to do a steamed fish and all of that, but this talk through that I'm doing is for the ones that don't really know about steaming a whole fish. Okay? So I've added my butter to the hot cooking oil. Now I'm just gonna saute my carrots and onions and garlic. Next, I'm gonna be adding the soup it up fish stock flavoring. I've added water to it. Now I'm adding it to the pot, and I'm just going to allow that to simmer down. I'm adding some scallion to the pot, and I've also added some scotch bonnet pepper. Now I'm adding the fish to the pot, and I'm just going to cover it down and allow them to steam. Alright, now it's time to be frying the fish. My mother is also in the kitchen with me. Those are her hands that you're seeing, so she'll be the one that's frying the fish. When the fish has completed frying on both sides, put them on some paper towel to drain off the excess oil. Now I'm going to be making my Escovitch sauce. Now I've added the Escovitch sauce to the fried fish, and you have come to the end of my video. Thanks for watching.